This is the first real test of printing out using this. I'll put a link down below. It's an adjustable stand for an LCD 12864, and it's the first test I'm using with this revised fastening this hot end, because it was wobbling. I'll zoom in a bit on that. So the method I was using before is like 2 washers which were cut to size here and a piece of card underneath to wedge it up, but now I'm using a bolt in a thread in those washers to keep this hot end from hopefully wobbling about, because it was moving and wobbling about as it was printing. So okay, I'm going to print out the file and turn some of these lights off, because sometimes it dazzle out the display on here. I'm not sure how well that shows up. Print from SD, LCD 128 holder and reset button. So first thing it does is start warming up the heat bed, and then it will start doing the nozzle. So you can see the displays where I can find there, nozzle coming to temperature. Notice a dot on the nozzle there, that's when it's getting its like temperature. This has a gap in the line for the heat bed, and that's getting its temperature. So this is the new adjustable stand LCD 12864 container, easy to get the SD card in and out. This desk isn't totally level here, so right, I'll come back after it's done the auto leveling. I think I have to watch this because changing this, tightening up this nozzle a bit, even impact on the Z probe height. This is quite a quick print, about 12 minutes or so. And I'll have to watch this, as I say, because I have been mucking about with the hot end there at the top to try and get to be more stable and not wobble about, which I have known it do. So even if it's a short print, I will probably be speeding this up a bit or chopping bits out. What I'm going to do now is show you the display. Just turn this light off a bit, because so as I say, adjustable stand it's on, can be tilted and moved. You can see the X, Y and Z there. And the bar graph, 8 minutes it's been saying it's been going, a bit less than halfway looking at that. So on TV it's got another 8 minutes, but then the bed wants to cool down, etc. 13 minutes, near enough there. Okay, the bed's had time to cool down. It comes off quite easy. There's a very fine string on there, on the that. We have a slight lip around this bottom edge. Really the only problem is if it's tilted forward, the button comes forward and it's too almost rattly. So if I go to move it, it feels like something's come loose inside. That is the only thing. I mean, it works okay, but I'll show you that actually. I'll press, hang on, let's turn this light out, otherwise you won't see it. Let's zoom in a bit. So I'll press the reset button, and there you are, it's come unkilled. I'll leave the lights off a bit, show you that the button works. Killed. Okay, so that's okay. And now I'll put the lights back on and zoom out a bit for this. Now it doesn't rattle about. So whereas before it was like sliding forward. I hope this is going in the camera. Now it's okay. And killed. As I say, I wish I printed it out in black so it gives a bit more contrast. So that button sticks out about 2mm, give or take a bit. It's okay, ideal in my view, and I'll show you that the knob works. Ask for auto home, and it's going through the routine. Okay, I'll stop there. Well, actually I'll press killed. Stopped it. Okay.